Hello everyone. Today we have MPD-194, which is a motor protection device with both PTC input and CBCT, core balance CT, input. You can use this device as a motor protection relay and as a multifunction meter because it also shows kW, voltage, current, and frequency on the display. Inputs and overview. Let's first understand the inputs and terminals. Terminals 1 and 2, auxiliary supply, line and neutral. Supply range, 50 to 550 volt AC. Any auxiliary supply within this range can power the instrument. Terminals 8 and 9, PTC input. Here we connect the PTC sensor that is embedded inside the motor winding. This allows the device to monitor motor temperature. When motor temperature goes high, the relay trips and protects the motor. Terminals 23 and 24, CBCT input. Here we connect the core balance CT. In a 3-phase 4-wire system, all 4 conductors, R, Y, B, and neutral, must pass through the CBCT. This allows us to measure earth leakage current and trip the motor if leakage exceeds the set value. Terminals 10, 12, and 14 voltage inputs. R, Y, and B phases. In this demo, we only have a single phase available, so we have looped the same phase to R, Y, and B. Terminal 16, neutral. Neutral is looped from terminal 2 to terminal 16. Terminal 17 to 22 phase CT inputs. 17 and 18 CT for R phase, S1, S2. 19 and 20 CT for Y phase. 21 and 22 CT for B phase. Current input range. From 10 mA up to 5A, CT secondary. Voltage input range. Line to line, 50 to 550 volt AC. Line to neutral, 30 to 320 volt AC. CT configuration. Primary CT up to 9999 ampere. Secondary CT selectable, 1 ampere or 5 ampere. System type supported. Single phase 2 wire. 3-phase 3-wire. 3-phase 4-wire. Accuracy class, Class 1. First level settings CT and network. When we power up the meter, the display initially shows a phase sequence error because we have looped only a single phase. To enter basic settings, press set once and release. Press and hold set again until pass appears. Enter password 10 using the up-down keys. Press set to enter. Now you get. Select from 3-phase 4-wire, 3-phase 3-wire, single phase. Select according to your system. Press set. Set the CT primary current using the up-down keys. Example, if your CT is 200 by 5 ampere, set the primary to 200 amperes. Press set. Select CT secondary, 5 ampere or 1 ampere. Press set to exit back to the main display. Now we go to the protection menu. Press set, then press and hold set again. Enter password 19. Press set. The first option is for relay 1, R1. If you press the up arrow, you can jump to relay 2, R2, settings. We'll first configure relay 1. First screen, power on delay, default 5 seconds. This is the delay after power is applied before protection becomes active. Press set. Next, initial time delay, ITD, default 5 seconds. This delay works after current starts flowing. For example, in star-delta starters, starting current is high for a few seconds. You can set ITD slightly higher than your star-delta changeover time so that no trip occurs during starting. Press set. Option to enable or disable undercurrent. If enabled, the next screen lets you set the undercurrent threshold in amperes, default to A. Next, undercurrent trip delay. Press set through these screens. Option to enable or disable overcurrent. Then set the overcurrent threshold in amperes. Next, choose overcurrent mode. Time-based or curve-based. We'll use time-based. Next, overcurrent trip delay time. Press set. Enable or disable short circuit. If enabled, You set a scale factor. Example: overcurrent is 10 amperes. The short circuit scale is 2. Then the short circuit threshold is equal to 10 times 2 equals 20 amperes. If current instantly goes above 20 ampere, the device trips immediately, ignoring the normal time delay. Press Set. Enable or disable locked rotor protection. This is used when the rotor and stator get jammed and the current stays very high. You set a scale factor in decimal. Example: overcurrent setting is equal to 10 ampere. Locked rotor scale is equal to 2.5. Then locked rotor threshold is equal to 10 times 2.5 is equal to 25 amperes. If current goes above 25 ampere, relay trips instantaneously and the display will show locked rotor trip. Press Set. Now we get under and over voltage. Under voltage. Enable, disable. Set under voltage level. Set under voltage trip delay. Over voltage. Enable, disable. Set over voltage level. Set over voltage delay. Press Set to move through each. Next. Under frequency. Enable, disable. Default 45 Hz. Set under frequency delay. Over frequency. Enable, disable. Then set over frequency and its delay. Press Set. You also get under power factor, under PF. Enable, disable. Set PF value, default 0.8 lagging. If PF goes below this, it will trip after the set delay. Over PF. For capacitive PF going beyond a set limit, example 0.8 lead. Over kVA, over cover, over kW. Enable, disable. Set thresholds for each if you want power-based tripping. Unbalanced voltage, enable, disable. Unbalanced current, enable, disable. Phase sequence, enable, disable. Phase loss, enable, disable. Neutral loss, enable, disable. Enable earth leakage. Set earth leakage current threshold. Set earth leakage trip delay. Enable overtemperature. Set delay time. If PTC indicates high motor temperature, the relay will trip. At the end, reset mode. Manual. Auto. Zero value reset. In zero value reset mode, when the monitored value returns to 0, the meter auto resets. Relay fault condition. You can select whether relay should be on or off in fault condition. Failsafe or non-failsafe behavior. For relay 2, you repeat the same steps by selecting R2 at the start. If you select R2 is equal to R1, then all settings from relay 1 are copied to relay 2. Press Set to exit back to the main screen. Viewing parameters on display. On the main screen. First page, line to neutral voltage. Below, you may see the open message for PTC because we haven't connected a PTC yet. With a healthy PTC, it will show healthy. In trip condition, it will show temperature trip. By pressing the up arrow, you can scroll through all parameters. Line-to-line voltages. Phase currents. Frequency. System power factor. Kilowatt per phase. Kilovolt ampere per phase. Kilovolt ampere reactive per phase. Total kilowatt, kilovolt ampere reactive. System kilowatt hour, energy. Kilovolt ampere hour. Kilovolt ampere reactive hour. Earth leakage current. Load hours. No load hours. Motor RPM. And back to voltages again. To reset energy and logged counters. Press and hold Set. Enter password 15. Press Set. First option, reset all. If you select yes and press Set, all energy and logging values will be reset. If you want to reset individually, press Set to move parameter by parameter. Kilowatt hour, kilovolt ampere hour, kilovolt ampere reactive hours, load hours, no load hours, high set values, etc. For each, choose yes, no and press Set. Then press Set again to exit. So this was the complete overview of MPD-194, a motor protection device with PTC, CBCT, full current and voltage protections, and multifunction metering in a single compact unit. Thank you.